Hey guys, today we're making
Pasta flora.
pasta flora. Pasta flora guys in Greek. Then now, you're just making a dough. Then after that, lagay natin sa pan. So, ito po yung ah, jam namin. Yeah, apricot jam. Diba? Then after you put the jam, diba, ina-spread mo na siya. So, you're going to make this. Ayan. Apricot jam. Ayan. Apricot flavor. Apricot pie. Ayan.
Orange.
Yes, with orange. Yung the dough, we mix orange juice. Okay, fresh one. Not powder. Not powder juice, but orange juice. Fresh. So, yes. Wow, it's beautiful one.
Papyrus, ha?
If you're going to make the dough, the ingredients, the flour, oil, cooking oil. If you want to put some butter, you can also, but this one without butter, okay? And put sugar, baking powder. That's it. A simple one. Then after that, you can make this one. Then after this, so ready to put in the oven. Just do like this. It's very easy and very simple one. Then after that, you can put here. So preheat the oven first before you're going to put the apricot pie. I mean pasta flora.
It's not enough. Don't put.
So now guys, it's finished. So it's ready to put in the oven now. Yeah. So if you want guys to put the jam here, you can. But I see it's too much, so no need to put too much jam because it's too much sweet. Okay, we have to minimize sugar. Okay guys.